Welcome back to another reaction video. My name is Jarek, and today we are watching XG Howling official music video. This is a rewatch for me, a re-reaction, because the first time I watched this, I had no idea who XG was, and now that I know a lot more about them, and now I'm an alpha, so I feel like there would be kind of a good time to revisit this XG Howling. Because XG is the shit. Love this song.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Block is hot cause X took that tone. Tough as diamonds, no sticks and stones. That's connected like tic-tac-toe. Lights go out and my pack just grow. Opposition, my prey, my foes. Game of hunger, I bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke. Thanks out, attack on three, that's a
Bro, the first time I saw this music video, I was losing my mind because there were so many things happening. And now that I'm actually like rewatching it, it's like, it seems, for some reason, it seems a little bit slower because I'm actually kind of pay attention to the music video a lot more too. Because I already know the song, I'm already very familiar with it, and I'm very familiar with the group. So now I can actually appreciate the music video a lot more. And just watching it for what it is, which is a masterpiece.
I've been throwing these balls like a handout. Too many capping, I've been losing head count. I like to cook, so I hump on my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I took wolf, then it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer. Way out when it fades out, can hide in the dark.
Freaking Julia and Nasa.
Dangerous, so don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound, cause that's how we howl.
I don't care what everybody else say, dude. That hook, the howling, whoever came up with that idea, like, genius, dude. Like, how do you freaking make howling sound so majestic and sounds so good? Especially as a hook too, is like very catchy. Like it just makes you want to like howl with XG. And yeah, let me hear that again.
So run if you hear the sound,
and I like the pre-chorus a lot too.
That's how we howl. That's how we howlin'.
Freaking love this song.
That's how we howlin', growlin', wallin'. Where are you now? Moonwalk on a rooftop like a wolf. I move like Nat Geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Cut the throw, got the goal. Rewind the video, do it when you gotta run it back. You unleash the beast. Call it Wolfgang cause we back to feast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed. Never sees, I got monster feet. Listen to it howling. Sound of a couple thousand albums. Now the feel surrounded. I'm moving.
Dude, this music video is a freaking movie, bro. Like, visually, it looks so good. And all the special effects and the outfits, the costumes, fire. Yeah, so good.
Silence, group like a group of wild. There's no choice but the truth to follow.
She looks so badass in here, too.
It's close to midnight and the night skies come hunting down. Nothing can stop or endanger us. If you anger us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound, cause that's how we howl. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'.
So good. I love the howls.
Where are you now? Welcome to the world where the strongest won't survive. Too late to run away, you better kneel and pray. We're howling in the dark.
And that part with the with all of them, like that's a cool photo, dude. Like I love that visual thing. That would be a really cool thing to put in a shirt. I might actually do that.
Too late to run away, you better kneel and pray. We're howling in the dark.
Yeah, like this visually, that would be look so cool in a shirt.
That's how we howling, growling, wilding. Where are you now?
So fire. I'm excited, dude. I know XG is going to be performing in Coachella this year. That just means they're going to be on that next level now. And then all their new music coming up this year, too. So excited for that, dude. Yeah, I love XG, man. Alphas, we here. Yeah, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also follow me on my Patreon if you want to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.